In 100 feet, turn left.
That's a park walkway!
Hold on. The car's GPS doesn't seem to have been updated in a while. I can't remember the last time Mom's been to the UK.
Merge with traffic.
The curb! The curb!
You hanging in there?
Ooh, just you wait till we get where we're going.
Narrow bridge ahead.
Bridge is out. What? Huh? What? The sign! Did you notice the sign?
Hold that thought for a minute.
Recalculating.
I wanna be your favorite.
You have reached your final destination.
Let me out of here!
This the place? Looks kinda deserted.
It is. It hasn't been open to the public since the 60s.
Great. Lovely.
And this is where we'll have your test of courage.
We have to go in there? Or just stand here for a while?
We go in and I'll tell you 2 different stories associated with happenings in and around the cemetery.
Great.
Come on, I'll get us over the gate. The first story involves one of the oldest sections of the cemetery. You'll notice a lot more children's graves here than in most modern cemeteries. Things were harder in some ways back then. I guess the adults wanted to have a nicer resting place for all those innocents. So they decided to bury them in the shade of this ancient tree on the grounds. That same tree might have absorbed all the sadness and bad energy from all those who were grieving, as it seems to have become gnarled and twisted with age. Now, it's said, that movement has been seen around the tree on the hill. Some folks say the graves move, and others say it's the shadows of the children's spirits playing around the tree. Your first test of courage is to spend 5 minutes at the base of the hill by the tree.
5 minutes. No problem. I can do that. So, where is it? Oh. No problem. I can do this. Okay. Do this. I can do this. I can do this. I can do this. I've got this. 5 minutes. I can do this. Shauna, babe, the graves, they. Shauna, they're kid ghosts. Shauna, they're everywhere. They're gonna get me. Help! Get over here. Help!
Hey, I'm right here. Good job, babe. That was 5 minutes. You're a total badass.
But up on that hill, there was... What the hell? I need to get out of here. You win, okay? My driving could never be as bad as this place.
Okay. This is the last test of courage, and it's not even in the cemetery. Come on, it's at the front gate. It's quick, simple. You just have to stand there. I promise.
Last one. Just by the gate?
I promise.
Okay. Last one.
Now, like I said, all you have to do is stand here.
I'm standing.
This was the first story I heard about this cemetery. It said that while standing at the gate late at night, if you're quiet and close your eyes, you can hear the sounds of ghostly footsteps walking up behind you, trying to get back into the cemetery.
Excuse me?
Babe, it's simple. Stand there for 1 minute, quietly, with your eyes closed.
Oh, my dog.
That was 1 minute.
I'll run it up with my confidence. I wanna be your favorite, like breakfast mimosas, make it bottomless. I wanna be your favorite.
Oh man, I can't believe she didn't even recognize me.